After removing the deadbolt from the door, remove the machine screw holding in the cylinder. Unscrew the cap. You might need some pliers. Remove the small pin and spring. Insert the key and rotate 90 degrees. Insert the plastic tube to remove the cylinder and dump out the tumblers. Insert the new key. The kit comes with a pin guide, but I found it to be wrong on my lock. Push the cylinder plug back through and reinstall the cap. Reassemble, install the screw, and mount back on your door. And now you know how it's done. Tune in again when you have a minute.